Hi everyone, welcome to Cherry's Decor. Today in this video I will share some beautiful scrap metal decoration ideas. The animal metal scrap art are the two popular categories of creative projects that can be made with scrap metal. These projects are a great way to add a unique touch to your home and show your creativity and give new life to old metal scraps. With a little imagination and efforts, the possibilities are endless. When it comes to metal scrap art, there are many techniques and styles that you can explore. Some artists choose to create abstract pieces that focus on the shapes and textures of the metal scraps, while others use metal scraps to create more representational pieces like animals, landscapes, or other objects. Metal scrap arts can be made using a variety of techniques including welding, brazing, riveting, or even just using wire to connect the pieces. One particularly popular form of metal scrap art is steampunk art. Steampunk is a subgenre of science fiction that combines elements of Victorian era fashion, technology, and aesthetics with futuristic or fantastical elements. Steampunk are often incorporate scrap metal pieces to create unique and intricate sculptures or other decorative items. These pieces often have mechanical or industrial feel to them and can add a unique and quickly touch to your home decor. Another type of metal scrap art that has gained popularity in recent years is metal scrap jewelry. Artists use metal scraps to create flowers and unique unconventional pieces of jewelry that can be worn as a statement piece or given as a special gift. These pieces often incorporate a mix of metal types and textures and can include everything from necklaces and bracelets to earrings and rings. Overall, metal scrap art is a fun and creative way to repurpose an old metal scraps and turn them into something beautiful and unique. It's a great way to express your creativity and add a personal touch to your home decor or personal style. With so many techniques and styles to explore, the possibilities are endless. So next time you come across some scrap metals, why not try to your hand and art creating your own metal scrap art masterpieces. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.